Hello and welcome to today's video on foods that are good for your liver. The liver is a powerhouse of an organ, performing many essential tasks. Consuming certain healthy foods and beverages can help keep your liver in optimal shape. The liver is responsible for things like producing proteins, cholesterol, and bile to storing vitamins, minerals, and even carbohydrates. It also breaks down toxins like alcohol, medications, and natural byproducts of metabolism. Keeping your liver in good shape is important for maintaining health. This video lists the best foods to eat to keep your liver healthy. Grapefruit. Grapefruit contains antioxidants that naturally protect the liver. The two main antioxidants found in grapefruit are naringenin and naringin. Several animal studies have found that both help protect the liver from injury. The protective effects of grapefruit are known to occur in two ways, by reducing inflammation and protecting cells. Studies have also shown that these antioxidants can help reduce the development of hepatic fibrosis, a harmful condition in which excessive connective tissue builds up in the liver. This typically results from chronic inflammation. The antioxidants in grapefruit protect the liver by reducing inflammation and increasing its protective mechanisms. However, human studies, as well as those on grapefruit or grapefruit juice itself, are lacking. Blueberries and cranberries. Blueberries and cranberries both contain anthocyanins, which are antioxidants that give berries their distinctive colors. They've also been linked to many health benefits. Several animal studies have demonstrated that whole cranberries and blueberries, as well as their extracts or juices, can help keep the liver healthy. Consuming these fruits for 21 days protected the liver from damage. Additionally, blueberries helped increase immune cell response and antioxidant enzymes. Another study found that the types of antioxidants found commonly in blueberries slowed the development of lesions and fibrosis, which is the development of scar tissue, in the livers of rats. What's more, blueberry extract has been shown to inhibit the growth of human liver cancer cells in test tube studies. However, more studies are needed to determine whether this effect can be replicated in humans. Making these berries a regular part of your diet is a good way to help make sure your liver is supplied with the antioxidants it needs to stay healthy. Grapes. Grapes, especially red and purple grapes, contain a variety of beneficial plant compounds. The most famous one is resveratrol, which has a number of health benefits. Many animal studies have shown that grapes and grape juice can benefit the liver. Studies have found that they can have various benefits, including lowering inflammation, preventing damage, and increasing antioxidant levels. A small study in humans with NAFLD showed that supplementing with grapeseed extract for 3 months helped improve liver function. However, since grapeseed extract is a concentrated form, you might not experience the same effects from consuming whole grapes. More studies are needed before taking grapeseed extract to promote liver health can be recommended. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is a source of nitrates and antioxidants called betalains, which may benefit heart health and reduce oxidative damage and inflammation. It's reasonable to assume that eating beets themselves would have similar health effects. However, most studies use beetroot juice. You can juice beets yourself or buy beetroot juice from the store or online. Several rat studies have shown that beetroot juice helps reduce oxidative damage and inflammation in the liver, as well as increase natural detoxification enzymes. While animal studies look promising, similar studies have not been conducted in humans. Other beneficial health effects of beetroot juice have been observed in animal studies and replicated in human studies. However, more studies are needed to confirm the benefits of beetroot juice on liver health in humans. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and mustard greens are known for their high fiber content and distinctive taste. They're also high in beneficial plant compounds. Animal studies have shown Brussels sprouts and broccoli sprout extract help increase levels of detoxification enzymes and protect the liver from damage. A study in human liver cells found that this effect remained even when Brussels sprouts were cooked. A 2016 study found that mice fed broccoli developed fewer tumors or fatty liver disease than their counterparts in the control group. Human studies are limited. But so far, cruciferous vegetables look promising as a beneficial food for liver health. Try lightly roasting them with garlic and lemon juice or balsamic vinegar to turn them into a tasty and healthy dish. Nuts. Nuts are high in fats, nutrients like the antioxidant vitamin E, and beneficial plant compounds. This composition is responsible for several health benefits, especially for heart health, but also potentially for the liver. A 2019 study found a diet higher in nuts to be associated with a decreased risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. What's more, a second observational study found that men who ate larger amounts of nuts and seeds had a lower risk of developing NAFLD than men who ate smaller amounts of nuts and seeds. While more high-quality studies are needed, preliminary data points to nuts being an important food group for liver health. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.